Mystery Train is a strange, beautiful, haunting movie about three groups of people who all arrive in the same place at the same time, and that place is a Fleabag Hotel in Memphis, Tennessee. The first group to arrive, two Elvis Presley fans who've come all the way from Japan.
大仏エルビスニューヨークの自由の女神彼女もエルビスこれほらマドンナもエルビスとそっくり
The connecting link in the movie is Screamin' Jay Hawkins, who plays the night clerk in this hotel.
You gonna eat it?
No, I ain't gonna eat that thing. Hey, my plum.
Another woman who checks in is taking the ashes of her husband back to Italy. In the middle of the night, she thinks she sees the ghost of Elvis Presley.
What are you doing here?
Well, I don't really know myself.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, I was singing to her. Excuse me.
No, really. Excuse me, ma'am. I must have got the wrong address or something. No, I better be going. I gotta go.
Didi, wake up, Didi. Come on, look quickly. Do you see it?
Mystery Train is one of those movies shot mostly at night with all kinds of saxophones on the soundtrack and all sorts of strange people slinking in and out of shadows and kind of expressing their personal destiny in terms of this bleak urban landscape. It's a very effective movie, very poetic. I give it 3.5 stars, and I'm Roger Ebert.